In India, there is a painter who paints not with a brush, but with a typewriter.
I'm Gurumurthy. I make art on typewriter.
Gurumurthy used to be a banker and art was his hobby. His paintings were nice but unsuccessful until he had a crazy idea.
Why don't I use typewriter for making artwork?
But it was a lot harder than he thought because typewriters have no erase buttons. A little mistake means you must start over. But he continued and he created hundreds of artworks only with a typewriter that people loved. Because of this, he retired from banking and now he is a full-time artist with a typewriter. Gurumurthy is an example. If you want to stand out from the crowd, you gotta do things differently. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.